We're alive or we're live? We're alive. This is question 24 on your practice test, and I made a separate video because we're not going to assess story problems until after Christmas. But we're still going to use this question as a nice, perfect template for what is expected when you have questions. It says, Mr. Mack decided to take his grade 8 math class on a field trip to the dairy bar. He told each child to bring with him X dollars. That's a mystery amount. But whenever each student showed up, they all brought $2 less each than they were supposed to. Mr. Mack has 20 students in his class, and after he took all the money, he had 130 bucks. How much money was each child supposed to bring? So you're going to get 1 point for writing an algebraic equation, 1 point for simplifying solution, and 1 point. Actually, this is different. The first thing you do is define the variable. What is X going to represent? Zerundus. How much money, not they took, how much money they were supposed to bring. Okay? And it says so right here. They're supposed to bring X dollars with them. But how much money did they actually bring, Hannah? Right, $2 left. So if X was what they were supposed to bring and they brought $2 less, it's going to be X. This is what they did bring, money they brought. I think I did talk about this yesterday, didn't I? I'm having a deja vu moment. So how many students brought X minus $2? 20. So how do I represent 20 students bringing X minus $2? Right. That's how I'm going to represent the expression. So if all 20 students brought X minus $2, you can now see how that relates directly to a beautiful distributive property expression. 20 students, each bringing 20 minus X minus 2. And that is the same amount of money as $130. Because when Mr. McDonald took in those 20 students' money, he had $130. So let's solve it by expansion. Use our arrows to get 20x minus 40 equals 130. Bring this down a little bit here. Oops, that's weird. Maybe I can bring it over here. Oopsie daisy. I ran out of space. I forgot I'm using a new program for this, so it's not working as well as I normally get it to work. Oh, heavens. Ah! Okay, we were close. We're back now. Technical difficulties. So once we get into this, we're going to add 40 to both sides. 20x would equal 170. Divide both sides by the coefficient of 20, and x will equal 8.5. All right? Now, what does that mean? In order for us to figure out what it means, we have to go right back up here to the first thing we did, which was define our variable. So if x equals 8.5, how much money was each student supposed to bring? Therefore, each student should have brought $8.50. How much do they actually bring? $6.50.